Hello friends, hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and good. In this lecture, now we are starting our new lecture about English language, and now I welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel. So first of all, we start our first lecture of English language. So first of all, we start with present indefinite unite. So first of all, there is a question arise: what is present indefinite tense, and why we study present indefinite? So we will learn here. So first of all, I will define you what is present indefinite tense. Now I am writing here the definition of present indefinite tense. So the present indefinite tense, which we call it daily routine life tense. Now present indefinite tense, a type of sentence which define or which show the action which is repeating or which is daily habitual, or you can say it is a universal truth. A type of sentence which uses daily basis in our daily life or in our daily routine, or we repeat. So that is called present indefinite tense. For example, I say the sun rises in the east. So it is an example of present indefinite tense. तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस क्या होता है? टेंस का मकसद है ज़माने, और इंडेफिनिट का मकसद क्या है कि मौजूदा या करंट। ऐसे जुमले जिसके अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, जिसके अंदर हम डेली लाइफ रूटीन को रिपीट करते हैं, या ऐसे एक्शंस या ऐसा काम जिसके अंदर हम डिफाइन करें कि वो काम डेली बेसिस पे हो रहा हो या हैबिचुअल हो, या उसको हम यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, जो हमारे यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ होते हैं, जैसे सूरज मशरिक से निकल रहा है, सितारे आसमान पर चमक रहे हैं, इस तरह के जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं हमारे, वो किसके अंदर आ जाते हैं? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस के अंदर। तो मैंने ये जो डेफिनेशन लिखी है, ए टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस व्हिच शो द एक्शन व्हिच इज रिपीटेड और व्हिच इज हैबिचुअल और यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ। ऐसे टेंसेस जिसके अंदर ये सारी चीजें मौजूद हो, ये सारी खासियत हो, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। नाउ वी विल लर्न द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। So when we make sentence, any type of sentence, we will follow the formation of conjugation in tense. So first of all, when we are making any kind of sentence, we follow subject plus verb plus object. So it is a formation when we are making any kind of sentence, present indefinite, present perfect, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense. When you are making any kind of sentence, you will follow the conjugation and formation. It is a formation. Now we will learn about the conjugation. When we are making sentence of present indefinite tense, first of all we will put subject, then we will put verb, then we will put object. So when you are using subject, verb and object, you will follow the conjugation. So what is conjugation? Conjugation means ke you are using subject I, we, they, you will put do or do conjugation. Do means ke do is a helping verb which is used in when you are making interrogative negative sentence, and when you are using he, she, it or any singular noun or third person, then you will use conjugation does when you are making interrogative or negative sentence. But when you are making simple sentence, you will add s or es in the conjugation he, she, it or any singular name. So it is the conjugation we will follow in present indefinite tense. So now we will see some examples of present indefinite tense. So I have put it there some examples. So we will start and see how we will have created the structure of this sentence. So first of all I have written the sentence वो कुरान मजीद की तिलावत करते हैं. In this sentence the subject is वो and कुरान मजीद is object and तिलावत करते हैं it is and verb. So first of all we will follow our formation वो की conjugation क्या होगी हमारी दे. उसके बाद हम जैसे हमारा फॉर्मेशन का रूल है या और फॉर्मेशन रूल इज we will follow subject plus verb plus object. So our subject is wo, then we will use they, and after the subject we will put verb. So verb in this sentence is recite, and after the verb we will put plus object. So in this sentence our object is the Holy Quran. They recite the Holy Quran. It is translated in English. So it is वो कुरान मजीद की तिलावत करते हैं. It is a sentence of present indefinite tense. The identification of present indefinite tense is first form of verb is used in the sentence or s or es has been added in the verb first form when you are using he, she, it or any singular name. And I have write second sentence वो अपना काम करते हैं. So वो is क्या है वो हमारा सब्जेक्ट है. उसके बाद काम क्या है हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है. करते किसको है जो कर रहे हैं वो क्या है हमारा वर्ब हो गया और काम क्या हो गया हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. तो इसका जुमला क्या होगा इसका जुमला होगा कि दे डन या दे डू देयर